Hello YouTube friends, thanks so much for joining me again. I was doing the video and I just lost I guess I lost the internet. I don't even know why it stopped. So this is gonna be part two. So what I'm doing right now, I showed you on the other video how to get to where I got so far. Now this time I decided to remove the back, and I also am gonna put hot glue too. So I remove all this from the back, and now I'm gonna be gluing this part over here. I'm running out of hot glue. I gotta go get another stick. So
What did mommy say?
now I'm gonna put some A6000 and hot glue around the edges and glue my next frame. I just messed up in there by scratching it. So the E6000 hopefully is gonna make a holding place. I don't want to put too much. Okay, so next, before I put the next frame up, I want to make sure that I got the right one. So this would be the next frame up, and I'm putting the glue. So while this is staying glued, which I think I need to put more weight in here too. While I am gluing this and attaching this, I'm gonna prepare the top glass. So I got the last frame and I cleaned the glass, so you have to be very careful. You have to be extremely clean. So I cleaned the glass and I'm gonna be attaching it to the frame without touching the glass, preferably. So I want to make sure that it will stay. Oops, I don't want to touch the glass. All right, so I don't want to touch the glass, and this is the time that you have to make sure it's really clean. So I've been cleaning this glass for the last 10 minutes. This is not the best of the glasses, but I think it'll be all right. So now it's the question whether I want to have some more. Now let me see. I'm making sure the glass is completely cleaned. And this is the time that you have to attach the glass so it doesn't fall. I should have more of these things. I think I removed some of them, and I'm gonna see if I can find the parts that I removed, see if I can attach them. Okay, I'm putting the last frame together with the E6000 and the hot glue. Are you guys ready for Thanksgiving? Happy Thanksgiving to you all, by the way. And hope you be healthy and have fun with your family. It's so important to have family. My sister is going out of town, both of them, as a matter of fact. So I have just friends. All right. Oh, shoot. I just got a little glue. Good thing I checked. Because you have to make sure that this is the only time you have to clean this. So I cleaned it all. And now I'm going to be putting this up. Moment of the truth. Sorry, I have to put this over here because I want to make sure that this is glued properly. Now, ideally would be to use a mirror that is the size of the frames. Oh, I just realized that I forgot to put the oh, I meant to do that and I completely forgot about it. I meant to, on the sides, let me show you guys. On the sides, I meant to put, you see how you, I don't know, you can barely see it though. See over here? You see the edges of the frames. So I meant to put a little finishing on that. It didn't work out, so oh well, it's okay though. So this will be, hopefully, I'm done with this part, and this is gonna be on the sides. I think, I'm not sure yet what I'm gonna do on the sides, but I gotta put something in there to cover up that. So I probably will put some blinging. But this is the front of a vase that I'm gonna be making. So stay tuned for the next step. I'm gonna be waiting for this to glue, and once it's glued, then I am gonna be doing the rest of the vase. So join me, sign up, and thanks for watching. So this is what we end up with so far. There you go. Pretty cool, huh? And once you see my furniture for the living room, you will understand why I did this. Because my furniture is just like this. And it's gonna go in there too. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye-bye.